Hi, I'm James from Fine & Country, and you've joined me today at this incredible 3 double bedroom apartment right in the heart of the town centre. We've also got 3 en suites and this amazing and expansive kitchen, living, dining area, and also 3 outside spaces. Let's take a look around. I hope you've enjoyed the tour of this stunning property. If you'd like more information or you'd like to book a viewing, please contact me on the details that follow. Thank you for watching.